Alright, so today, me and Wee Man here, we're gonna explore the mineral springs of Manitou Springs, 8 in total, and we're just gonna check them out and kind of taste them. And
we live in Manitou.
And we do, that's correct, we do actually live in Manitou, so little insider advantage there. But yeah, supposedly have some healing powers, so I think probably be Superman by the time we finish. And so now we're gonna start west at Iron Spring, which is basically as you get to basically the base of where you get onto the incline. So on we go. Okay, so definitely getting close here to Iron Spring. There's kind of two different ways you could do it through town, by the way. You could take the Paul Intamin Trail, which basically is kind of a mountain path above town, or you can just cut right through town and get there. But this is the farthest west spring, and then we'll head back east through town from there to take out the or to check out the other ones. So, very minerally, I would describe it almost as iron. Can't say they didn't warn us though. One down, now headed back to town. The next one that's gonna be in line, if you're going this order, will be Twin Springs. It's right on Ruxton Avenue. And then after Twin to Stratton, which is like kind of right at the end of the circle there. But that's where we're headed now. Okay, number 2, Twin Spring. Here we go. Not bad.
Strong taste.
Definitely pretty strong in flavor. I think slight minerally, very, very little carbonation kind of taste to it. Overall, like good flavor though, I would say. Okay, just tried Stratton Spring in the middle of town, which is cool. And overall, like, pretty good. That one's kind of, yeah, good, nice water. Not bad. Okay, finished Stratton. Now headed to Cheyenne, just further down Manitou Avenue, where all the action is. So we just finished Cheyenne Spring right downtown, and overall we kind of described it as like a flat, bubbly water, but like a smooth taste, not too bad. So now we're gonna scoot over probably by the post office and catch the other spring. So after Cheyenne, you can just cut through the arcade, and then you can get the Wheeler Spring back here, and then you can go back to the main street and catch the rest of them heading back east. So almost here. That one's quite as much. So Navajo's is behind Patsy's, which is like in the arcade. You can kind of see behind us here, but running dry. Can't add that to our taste list. All right, so Navajo dry, so we're going to Shoshone on Manitou Avenue. alone? Bocephus?
It was good.
Yeah?
Salty and like carbonated a little bit.
Yeah, so like a slight salt taste and like a slight bubbly taste to it. But overall, pretty smooth, pretty good. On to the last one at the beginning of town. Here we go.
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Okay, so that's all 8 springs. You just saw them all. I would definitely suggest going from iron to 7 minute, which was, in our opinion, saved the best for last. It tasted the best. But awesome way to kind of explore all the springs and the town at the same time. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.